Amazon rainforest, the lungs of the earth. Usually hunts at night, staying motionless to blend into its surroundings. Kills prey by constriction, moves both in trees and on the ground. Intelligent and curious, can use tools to find food. Known for loud calls, their voices can be heard from miles away. A small crocodilian waits patiently to ambush prey. Amazon forest view. Herbivorous, regulates body temperature by basking in the sun. Famous for its colorful beak, mainly eats fruits. Uses bright colors to warn predators. Its skin contains toxins. Moves very slowly. Sleeps 15 to 20 hours a day. Uses its nose to search for food. Often travels in groups. Usually lives in the cloud forests of Central America, hiding high in the trees. Lives in trees. Active at night, prefers humid environments. Uses wings for camouflage, hides during the day. Active at night. Moves quickly, can change color, feeds on insects. Tree view Amazon forest. Feeds on carrion, travels in groups, scans wide areas. Feeds on plants capable of long jumps. Lives in trees, fast and silent predator. Spins webs between trees, catches insects. Moves along the shore or forest floor, active at night. Travels long distances in the ocean, herbivorous.